Unless you are some miracle of life, chances are you fail, often even. Most people fail often, including myself, but failure is usually seen as a bad thing. You don't want to do poorly on your tests, so you stay up all night studying. You are scared of getting rejected, so you don't ask the girl or guy out. You are so scared you will be humiliated for sounding stupid that you don't ask a question or seek help. Failure is scary, and for most people, failure is paralyzing. You are looked down upon when you fail, and you often look down at yourself when you fail. This stigma that failure somehow equates to you being inferior is a belief system that you need to dismodel. Because when fear is attached to failure, the fear dictates your actions. The fear prevents you from trying new things. And as humans, that means that the thought of failure or the reality of it is enough to deter us from ever trying that again. But this makes no sense. As humans, we are creatures designed to adapt to our environments and change. Think about a child learning how to walk. That child probably fell over hundreds of times before it was finally able to stumble their way on their feet. And then think about the thousands of more times that child fell in their lifetime after that. There has never been a child that has learned to walk without falling on their butts. That is just the reality. Us humans learn best by responding to our failures. Every time we fail, it is an opportunity to learn from our mistakes. Next time you encounter that same situation, you are now more able to handle it, and chances are you will be able to succeed. Stop thinking of failure as a negative and think of it as an opportunity to grow. Because if you don't fail, then you aren't trying. You want to fail because the more that you fail, the more you break the stigma that failure is a bad thing, and the more you will be able to take an honest step back and analyze your shortcomings for next time. Our lives are constant feeds of inputs and outputs, and it is our job to learn from those inputs and over time adapt and become better. We are special in the fact that we are animals that are able to adapt readily in order to be better versed for the situation at hand. Many people presume even that the fear of failure is a developed trait through our lineage that allowed our species to stay safe from predators and be able to stay alive, especially when it was dangerous. But in today's world, there's rarely a chance where failure results in immediate death. Chances are when you fail, you will come out unscathed, but our minds don't know this, though, and we equate these feelings as the same. So don't be afraid to fail. Failing just means that you are trying, and if you want to eventually become successful, just like the child learning how to walk, you have to fall down over and over again until you finally learn how to walk. And that's how to deal with failure in the right way. If you enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.